Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and that you're ready for today's video. So guys, I know it's like Easter's gone, but I have been wanting to do this set, and when the Green Guy collection was released, I knew it was time. And we're just going to do some fun stuff. So guys, I'm going to let you watch me work, because when I feel like this, it's literally, I'm just going to go into it. I'm going to let my creativity flow, and I'm going to use these beautiful gels that I've got. And I think I will add some 3D elements. So please, please enjoy, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I know this video was probably going to be slightly longer, but with all the editing tools and powers, we will make this a shorter one. And how gorgeous are these colors? I sugared them, I ombre'd them. We used that beautiful top coat. I mean, oh my gosh, that's giving all the sweetie candy vibes. I feel complete now. I've got my bunny out of the way, and I absolutely love it. We've put some flowers around and some eggs, and I used the colors to decorate the eggs. The glitter I used, oops, was Inner Light, and I just thought that would just go perfect with everything. We used the gold chrome, and I used more chrome on top of it. Look how stunning it looks. Out of my system. But yeah, guys, don't forget, feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen and save yourself some money. Yes, guys, I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. Please catch me in the next one, and let me know what you think of this little set. Bye.